Good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Boost and Redline with your boy Miguel here. Today I'm actually heading over to check out another shop. Okay, this is another shop that could possibly be doing my lift here, so I'm gonna go check out the place. I already talked to them on the phone, and you know, they kind of give me an estimate, so I really want to talk down some numbers, really you know, find out some more details about some of the components and things that I want to, you know, throw in there as part of the builds. I mean, I've never lifted a truck before, so I really want to make sure that it comes out well and that I get all the right parts. And I'm gonna try to put as many parts in as possible with the already included alignment for the lift, because you know, there's things like the tie rod, there's things like the open control arms, all these other different components that are not required for the lift, but can certainly help, you know, your whole setup, that if I plan to do later on, I also end up needing a alignment every time I get new parts put in. So I'm really looking to see if I can get all those parts put in from scratch. Okay, I don't want to give away way too many details here. I don't want to spoil the surprise, but I'm just, you know, giving you guys an idea. We're gonna go check out this place, see what they're all about, and of course share it with you guys. We are almost here. I'm excited because I drove by the place, had to make a U-turn and come back. So there it is, Extreme Off-Road Tampa. All right, I can already see they got some nice builds in there, like this lining right here. Look at that. All right, so got some Jeeps, got some trucks. No space for parking. I don't even know where I'm gonna park, but yeah, look at this. Look at that, a nice Raptor there. All right, let me see if I can park somewhere around here. I'm not sure where. Show you guys a little bit here inside the shop. Okay, got some nice things, some displays like that American Force rim there with that lip. That lip is insane. Some awesome things here. Of course, this is goals right here. Amp research steps. We're gonna get that to the truck sometime in the near future. So they do work trucks, of course, Jeeps as well. Some of the off-road bumpers, grills, all that stuff. Check out the sick MBRP dump pipe right here. This thing is huge. That looks like a 5-inch to like a 10-inch pretty much, or 12, who knows. All right, I'm gonna start you guys off very simple here, just with a nice Jeep, simplistic build there, and work your way around to this nice GMC here. It looks like it's probably a 10-inch lift. Okay, looks like they're doing some work on this front end of the Super Duty right there, and a little classic Chevy. All right, but the cream of the crop, you guys, is this Chevy right here. This is a 2009, okay, on a 12-inch lift with 40s. All right, 12-inch lift with 40s. This build is sick, you guys. So that is a Cognito lift, okay, with 40s, and it looks sick. So very, very nice. Onto a dually, up to this Duramax dually here, 3500. This thing looks sick. I'm really loving the American Force rims. I mean, that is some shine, and they look really, really nice. So very cool work there. And looks like we have some more Jeeps over here. Look at the size of that Jeep. That thing is humongous. And then check out how big this one is. Wow, this is that's a pretty high Jeep. Pretty high Jeep right there. That is awesome. Tell you guys, this Cognito lift right here, that is pretty sick. I mean, this is very nice. Fox shocks in the front and the back. He's not kidding at all. I got a Ford Power Stroke out here also with some decent lift. Okay, of course we've got the Raptor. Okay, pretty cool. That's some awesome sound. Check out the theme on this Jeep right here, black and green. And check out the work in the front with LED everywhere. The headlights, the light bar, got the hinge, nice front bumper, and rigid industries everywhere. Well, that guy's not kidding. Look at that. And take a look at this, you guys. This nice Bronco right here. This is the type of stuff I wanted to see. This is an awesome lift right here. It looks like a 12-inch with 40s all around. And I mean, that build looks sick. Check out the 12-inch MBRP exhaust dump right there. And I mean, dual shocks, BDS lift kit. I mean, it looks super nice. So very, very nice build here. So it looks like, you guys, it looks like little Sierra here is gonna be getting hooked up. I am leaving Tampa Extreme. I gotta tell you guys, I had an awesome experience. I talked to Jesse at the front desk. Jesse is a very nice guy, you know, very knowledgeable, and also, you know, allow me to be able to package my lift in the best possible way where it made the most sense. You know, some upgrades, you know, make sense for a higher lift or a bigger tire setup. I'm going with 35. So Jesse was able to work with me and also help me put together my lift in the most optimized way. And also I brought, you know, some pricings from other shops, and I gotta tell you, these guys really work with you. They can do price match, they can even beat the other guys, and that is what makes their shop, you know, one of the best, if not the best, here in the Tampa area. So that is the #1 reason why I decided to get my truck lifted with them. I'm very excited, you guys. I'm not sure if you guys can tell in the video, we just did the down payment for the lift. So the lift will be taking place, okay, about a week and a half from now. I bring the truck, I drop it off. It takes 2.5 days, actually 2 days. The third day, they're just gonna be doing some testing, and I get to pick it up midday. So I'm very excited for that, you guys. And I cannot wait to share that with you. I really cannot wait to share the finished final product with you guys. So if you haven't already, you make sure you smash that subscribe button, because you would not want to miss what's coming up. And also make sure to like this video, okay, because there's a lot more content and a lot more quality videos coming up your way, so you would not want to miss any of those. Whoa, check out that DC5 right there. That is one clean RSX right there. This takes me back to my RSX Type S days. This was my very first serious car, I guess you can say, after my 1994 Toyota Corolla. That was my second car, and I probably talked about it in the channel a time or two, but that looks very, very clean, that DC5 right there. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out until the end of this video. Because you've actually stuck around until this point in the video, I actually got some surprises here for you, okay? So this is again a bonus for watching this video all the way. I've got some parts here that I have not revealed yet that are part of the overall upgrade that we're doing to the front of the truck. Let's go ahead and go over these parts and find out what they're all about. This first box right here is from Moog, okay? So if you guys remember from the previous video, we had ordered the Pitman arm and the idler arm. The Pitman arm I actually got here a lot earlier, and so now we've got the Pitman arm that would also be getting upgrades. So I got the Pitman arm from Moog, and now the idler arm, which is here, also from Moog, you guys, to make sure we keep the consistency here. So these are well-known parts, so these should actually upgrade the current ones on there, and this should add for more rigidity and heavy-duty components to the whole equation here. All right, so let's see what this next one in here is all about. This is actually from, let's see if you guys recognize the brand here. I don't know, I'm having a little trouble here reading. What does that say, you guys? Not too sure, so can you read that for me? Somebody from the audience? All right, how about you over there? Yeah, what does that say? What we got here is the Cognito Pitman arm and idler arm support brace kit. Okay, so it comes with these two metals and these parts here that will give some support to the Pitman arm and idler arm. It will prevent some premature wear if that were to be the case, which is a very common problem with the GM trucks. Also, it will prevent some unalignment or the truck to go out of alignment or some uneven wear of the front tires. Also, one of the biggest issues that I got right now is the fact that I have a lot of play on my steering wheel. So these should be taking care of that right there. So I'll show you guys once these are installed so you get a better idea of what they do. Yeah, very excited to have these and overall add more rigidity and support and quality to the front end of the truck. And last but certainly not least, what's in this box right here. Let's take a look, you guys. All right, a little bit heavy here. All right, let's take a look, see what this is all about. All right, so first of all, this is a super steer, okay? Super steer. Is that upside down for you? Yep, it is upside down. All right, this is a super steer idler support, okay? More officially known as Cognito idler pivot assembly with Gusset, whatever that is. Just an idler support from Super Steer, okay? Also the guys over at Henderson lineup. So this is gonna provide a lot of support and rigidity to the front as well, in conjunction with the whole idler and Pitman arm brace kit as well. So these are gonna go hand in hand, you guys. This one's about like a good 5 pounds, right here. So very, very nice and high quality. And of course it comes with all the components, all the nuts and bolts that go along with it. This is gonna make a huge difference again in the front, you guys. So again, cannot wait to have these on the truck. All right, you guys, and that does it for the end of this video. I'll be seeing you guys very soon. I've got some awesome content coming for you, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the like button. Let me know in the comments your overall thought about this video. Let me know if you think these parts are gonna make a big difference or not. Okay, what are some of your thoughts? And you guys take care, have a wonderful evening, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next episode of Boost and Redline with the bro Miguel, signing out. Peace, goodbye, boom. Of course, prevent some early wear. So let's go ahead and go over these parts and find out what they're all about. What? ¿Qué niña ni qué cuarto? I don't know, she's not here.